Welcome to Monday, and it's actually the afternoon, and I've just dropped into a friend's place to do some quick watering of her pots just in case they're getting a little dry while she's on holiday. I thought I'd show you the view because today is an absolutely stunning day. These are the days you live in Melbourne for in the winter. It's 14-15 degrees. It was minus about 1 or 2 this morning, but this is the day you get when everything warms up a bit. Look at that sky. How amazing is this? Because it's such a beautiful day, Andy, I thought I'd give you a little tour of your garden. It's looking good. It's looking beautiful, of course, actually, but that's the way it always looks. And no sign of the fox. My car was so dirty today. Else today. Obviously I took the car for a wash. Now that takes ages because I take it through the tunnel and gets the worst of it off, but then I go over it completely with a chamois to get all the water off and any extra little bits. Then I vacuum it, clean the tyres, and then I went and filled up the tyres because they needed to be done. Boy, did they need to be done. And now I'm just cooking some dinner. So I'm having some pork with veggies and a bit of tarragon in there. That's also stirring up. I'll show you. There we are. That looks quite healthy, doesn't it? I'm just going to show you my pantry, which I will actually start doing. Look at that. See the tops? Yeah, then it starts to disintegrate down here. My dinner is cooked, and the top half of the pantry is back to its normal self. And here's tonight's meal, which looks a lot better if I bring it up there. Okay, it's Tuesday afternoon, 1 o'clock. I've actually had quite a productive morning. But mainly I went and had breakfast with my son. That was a nice way to spend the morning, and now I'm coming back and I've got to do things like talk to you, reply to emails, and reply to some of your comments, which I haven't done yet, so I'll sit down and do that. And I think I'm due am I due another coffee? I hope so. Oh, I've finished pretty much the rest of the pantry at the moment. Remember yesterday I said that the top was done. Well, I put all the limes. These are actually limes, super yellow limes, which are just beautiful. And these are the pantry ingredients for my Hello Fresh meals, which I've been having since last week, which I really enjoy. I've been busy the last couple of hours chatting to a girlfriend. See, mid-year reset. I did that nice social thing. See, this is good. Feels so much better having caught up with her as well. And now I'm just going to do those emails and do some replies to you, and then I'll pop into the city and say hello to the little baby, which will be rather nice. Gosh, it's cold. I've got my big polo on inside to keep me warm. I went out this morning in my Ugg boots, which, I mean, I could hear my mother. She's passed away quite a while ago. I could still hear her. She was not happy. You're walking around outside there in Ugg boots. Really? Yes, I know. The things we have to do to shock our mothers. Not to worry. My feet are warm and comfortable. Yes, I've had a delivery. And it is a return though, so it doesn't count. These are the runners I've just got. So they're the Nike, I think they're called Fly. They've got that really good sole. It doesn't grab too many stones. And it's not quite a barefoot, but it's a minimal foot support on it, which is what my feet like. What's it called? It's the Nike Free. Oh look, they've got little reflectors on the back. That's cute for when I'm out running at night. Like that's going to happen. Anyway, there we are. That's that bag unpacked. And as I say, it wasn't technically a spend for this month because I spent it last month. Just they sent me ones that were about this long. They reversed the US and Australian sizing. More things to go out into the recycling. I seem to spend my life putting cardboard in the recycling. My neighbours are going to complain soon. Okay, I'm back down into the city again, down onto the river. And it's busy. It's always busy down here. This is a great part of the world. It's just really busy at this time of the day. I'm on my way home. I love the city at night. Always so cool. Good morning. I'm working from home, hence the huge jumper. and it's not super cold this morning. Actually, it's pretty good, but you know, I feel cold if I sit down. So I'm just making myself some breakfast, and also I have some toast and avocado, a bit of dukkha on the top. See how I go. Good morning, Wednesday. Let's go and get the toast. Is it done? Oh, it needs a bit more. And then over here I have got my avocado ready to go. It's a nice one, completely perfect. And then, just to let you know it's real, because for some reason I didn't stack the dishwasher last night. And I had friends around, and so that's what it looks like. There we go, I do it too. Time for some breakfast, and I'll get back onto my reading.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool, the kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool.
Well, it's Wednesday night and I'm having another one of these meals. No, not being sponsored, just think they're really interesting. This is a prosciutto wrapped chicken breast, which looks rather interesting. That's the list of of ingredients rather. And because I'm a bit OCD, of course I've transferred everything into a little box. And here's the chicken breast, that goes up there. And now I just have to make it. These are all the little bits that came. The thing that concerns me, I suppose, is the packaging. But having said that, if I went to the supermarket and bought them, they'd be packaged as well. Okay, I've got my meat cutting board out. The garlic is easy. Actually, I don't even think I have to peel it. I think I just do this. The skin comes off just like that. Get the back. And there is all of the crushed garlic. Here is the finished article. I've sliced the chicken. It looks delicious. Just got some rocket with a little bit of that truffle oil sprinkled around, and the risotto is underneath the chicken. Tiny bit of cheese on top. Now, this is to show you that I do practice what I preach. So it's 7:30. I've cleaned up, cooked a meal, cleaned it up, eaten it actually, and the kitchen is clean and tidy. It's Friday, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oops, no, nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've just come in, I've been busy, and I thought, right, I better say hello, because what's a weekly vlog without some weekly check-ins? And then I had left something out on the bench in the kitchen for a reason, which is that I've got to sort out my sort of, that sort of first aid supplies thing, in my case my meds, and it's just a hodgy-podgy mess. So I'm just going to show you how much rubbish I have got sitting in here. There we go. It's no excuses, just happened. Let's start with this one. That's the one I keep my scripts in for refills. That's straight up meds. This is Telfast because I get hay fever. These are meds. This one's nearly empty. That one's, so I'll fill up my little box, which is why I left it out. I've been burning through these because of that wretched sad toe of mine, which is not a lot there. So I'll put those over there, but I do need to actually restock. More of these. Oh, this is the ointment that I've been using, which is, it was quite good, but suddenly it's just not working so well now. But anyway, that's the Manuka honey that I've been putting on my toe, and a whole lot of these, some iodine, okay, and these were cold sore patches, but they didn't work very well. I didn't like them, and they didn't have my main brand, so I think they're all over the bottom like that. I know they look like something else, don't they? But they're not. They're cold sore patches. Okay, so they can go out. I think that can be a start of the going out pile. Oh, these are great. These are from that little $2 shop, Daiso, the Japanese one. They are for headaches. I should give one of them away. I probably don't need two. Hey, how we doing? See, we're down to that one was empty. That's the top one. Decluttering for sore throats. Don't really get sore throats, but Lemsip for sore throats. Oh, okay, that one's all clean and emptied out of a lot, and plus I know what's in there, and that's all not past the use by date. This, well, eggs, is my pile of things that I can, well, I'll empty them and recycle the cardboard. There are no medicines of any kind in there, so I don't have to drop anything into the pharmacy. And then this is the one that I just reached for. It's got the band-aids in it. I did a bit of consolidation. So now, before I do anything else, I've got to fill up these again. Give myself another week of my meds, and I'll be able to get rid of another box or so. This little one is full again, and my meds are full again. And everything is back in order. Now I'll show you where I put them, and this is a hangover from the days of having children. And you know, look, I'm sorry, I don't want anybody handling this stuff. You know, I can, oddly. It's very good for me. Yeah, plastic and medicines go above the fridge. This is actually not a bad little cleanup. Just things there. Look, out of that, all of this. There we go, back to being clean and tidy again. Got my recycling bin. I fill this up. Honestly, I seem to fill it up all the time. So I'm going to go and film a video because I was about to go to Savers. I was going to do it yesterday. Ended up talking to a friend. So I still haven't done that video on the what's up the top in my wardrobe. So that sort of has to be done. And yeah, it actually has 3 drawers in the study to do. Well, it wasn't until I got through editing the vlog that I realised I hadn't said goodbye. So here am I a week later, almost exactly, but the vlog is finished. It's a bit clumsy, I accept that, but it's my first one sort of trying to take you through a week of my life. So be kind and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already part of the tribe. And I will see you soon. No guarantees on Sunday, but I will try. I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely week and have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.